Hey, today I want to show you how far some of my Nerf guns shoot. The three guns that I'm going to be doing is the Nerf's Hornet, the Nerf's Big Bad Bow, and the Nerf's Night Finder. First, I'm going to start out with the Hornet. So let me load it. Okay. So this is after 20 pumps. This is not quite flat. Okay, so that was the Hornet. Okay, and now I'm going to do the Big Bad Bow. Sorry about that. Sort of tough when you don't have someone to hold the camera. So this is the Big Bad Bow. Not that good, but still. Okay, and then let me just grab this quick dart and I'll show you the Night Finder. Okay. Okay, then this is the Night Finder. Okay, now I'm done. Go check out where those are. So here's the Big Bad Bow bullet at 31 feet and 31 feet. Okay, and then the furthest Hornet bullet was at 48 feet 7 inches, and then the Night Finder bullet was at 35 feet 7 inches. So the Night Finder was the best, but not by too much. And so that's some of my Nerf guns. And then I would have shown you the Recon, except all my bullets got sort of destroyed because I was using them in a long shot. And they're also sort of old, so yeah. So bye.